my channel. My name is Rachel Banks, and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty. Okay, guys, I haven't been on in a couple of weeks. Reason being, I had been sick. So I was sick one week, and then last week we had a guest, so I didn't get a chance to film. But anyways, when I was sick, I did try to take a few things to kind of help me, boost my immunity so that I could heal a little bit faster. So some of those things that I took was ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric. So I have ground ginger and ground turmeric. Let me go get it. Hold on. Okay, so this is the ground turmeric and this is the ground ginger, and I just make a ground turmeric and ginger tea with just hot water and the ground turmeric and ginger, and I'm so used to it now that I don't have to add like sugar or anything. I do add lemon, so I added lemon to it, but it helps with your immune system. In fact, an immunity, I'll insert a picture. It's an immunity shot that I get from Whole Foods that I take sometimes before I travel. Well, I just recently started taking it before I travel to kind of boost my immunity so that I'm not sick when I travel. And it is basically a shot of like turmeric and cayenne pepper or something like that and some other things, but I'll insert a picture now. Okay, another thing that I was drinking that's supposed to be good for you, it's a superfood, is this kombucha drink. Now, I'm used to the Synergy kombucha drinks, but this was on sale at Aldi, so I had grabbed me a couple of bottles of this. And it's 2 servings in it, so I split it, and it lasts me for a couple of days. In combination with drinking orange juice and dark green, so I made like a big pan of, or pot of spinach. Helped me overcome my cold fast. Like, I was sick. Like, I think I was so sick that I ended up coming home early on the Friday. So I went out of town, and I came back that Thursday, and I got sick on the plane coming back. That Friday, I tried to go in because I had some stuff that I wanted to take care of, and I ended up getting sick. Like, it got worse. And that Saturday, I was like the worst, and slowly started getting better throughout the week. But I definitely think that these different items helped out. And then last weekend we had company, so I didn't get on the YouTube. But anyways, what brings me to filming is this Fabfitfun box that I got for spring. So let's jump right on into this Fabfitfun unboxing. Okay. So this is, who is it? Venus Williams. So this spring edition is exclusive Venus Williams. The one thing she brings to every tennis match. So I'm excited about this. Super excited. So let's see what we got and what the options were. Okay, so the first thing right here at the top, the options are a muumuu robe, a demi backpack, or a meditation aromatherapy diffuser. Out of all 3 of those options, I would like to have the diffuser. So let's see what we got in the box. So I don't see a diffuser, but I see this in the box, so I'm assuming that this is the backpack, just because it's black and white. And this is worth $75, so I'm not mad at it. I would have liked the diffuser because I had bought my mom a diffuser for Christmas, and it broke. So I need to replace her diffuser, and that would have been easy replace, but I could always get her a diffuser. But this is what the backpack looks like. Very cutesy. It's linen, and let's see. It says, keep your belongings safe and snug in the cutest canvas backpack. It features adjustable straps, a top handle, and a post closure, making it a perfect bag for all your spring travels. And this is worth $75. The muumuu was worth $84, and the diffuser was worth $55. And I think it came with an actual essential oil called Happy. But this is cool. So it has like the little, now this is gonna be cute when this summer, when I want to take the kids like to the zoo and stuff, and just throw stuff in there and throw it on my back. Very cutesy. And it's lightweight, so it's not gonna be heavy. It's got tons of room in there, so very cutesy bag. And it's by Duke's Luxe. It's very cute, so I'm happy. I am happy that I got this. Very cute. And it came in a little duster. So that's cute. The next thing in the bag, in the box is this thing right here. So let's figure out what it is. So the next options, you can see it. So you can get 2 different types of sunglasses. One is worth $55 and one is worth $60, and they're both by Quay, Australia. And it's just 2 different types of styles. But I apparently did not get those. It looks like I got this right here. And that is the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. It says your spring picnic isn't complete without this handy set. It includes 2 cutlery sets, forks, knives, and spoons, and 2 plates, so you can create a gorgeous picnic setting. And this is worth $30. Or you could have gotten the Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, and that was worth $48. Okay, so let's open it up. So this would be fun, like if me and my husband do like a nice little picnic date. In fact, this is going to encourage us to do a picnic date, because apparently it has everything in here that we would need for a nice picnic date. So this is the package, and you open it up. Oh, this is cute. It has like real utensils. I was expecting it to be kind of like plasticky, but this is stainless steel. It's got it written on there. And you get the fork, the knife, and the spoon. That's really cute. And then it comes with 2 nice plates. Now these are seamable. They're plastic plates. That is too cute. And get us a nice little blanket and have like a picnic. Stop and get us some nice summery food. This is cute. So I'm gonna wash those dishes and have it just ready to go. Because you know, whenever you buy something new, you gotta wash it, make sure it's clean, and then we'll be ready to go. So that's cute. With our little backpack. That would be cute. Okay, so the next options are these right here. So you get either the copper plated measuring spoons, which is worth $15, or aromatic body lotion, which is worth $19, or a mystery item. It could be a palette, body cream, or maybe a trigger ball. We love a good mystery, but whatever it's going to be worth, whatever it is going to be worth $20. And I got the aromatic lotion. This is in mandarin orange and bergamot. I think that's how you say it. It's like a little lotion. It's sealed. I'm not gonna open it. Okay. So the next thing in the box, so you either get the, so this is, we're in this section right here. You can see it. This section. But anyway, so you either get a necklace worth $30, or you get some translucent setting powder by Siete, I think that's how you say it, worth $22, or you get a Sip by Swell bottle that is worth $19.99. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got the necklace, and it's very cutesy, and this is again worth $30. I like collecting these necklaces and jewelry because then it's easy, like gifts to give away for Christmas or for someone's birthday. Very cute, and that's worth $30. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is either a Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, a Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush, or 11 by Venus Jump Rope. So here are the options. You know what? I probably wouldn't mind the jump rope because it needs to work out. What I got in the box is the Daily Concepts detox brush, and it says your body needs TLC to exfoliate layers of dead skin and stimulate circulation with the brush's natural bristles and massaging nodules. So it's got like these little massaging nodules in it. And this is worth $18. So cutesy. So let's see. I think I got one of every one of these items at the bottom right here. So I think these are like the bonus buys or something like that. I'm not really sure how that works out. But anyways, it's ooh, I am not about to butcher that word, but it's a leave-in conditioner, a depuffing eye gel, and a body scrub. So here's the body scrub, and it is by the brand Mana Kadar. Listen. And it is worth $24. I wonder if I have that light too bright. But anyways, it's worth $24. And it says formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. And then the next thing I have is this leave-in conditioner. And it says, we are obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. And it is worth $26. And last but not least, we have the Dr. Brent Skincare Needles No More Baggage eye depuffing gel. And this is worth $42. It says visibly reduce the look of under eye bags, dark circles with this breakthrough solution. With the past couple of weeks that I've had, I'm going to need something that's going to remove some dark circles. So that's super exciting. This was a good box. Okay, so this I get. So I was completely wrong. So this right down here, every member gets. So this is the one that every member gets. And then this up here, these two rows are select members. And then over here, let's see, all members get one of each. So select members, all members get one. So this is the part where you can customize what you want if you get in there and actually do the customization. This one, everybody is getting this. So, and it's got like a little, it tells you what section is what. Okay, so I'm super excited about this. I can't wait to read up on this magazine. I love reading the little articles in the magazine, and they have like cute little recipes, and I'm hoping that these are some Venus Williams recipes. That would be pretty cool, because I've been like really into trying some new recipes, so I'm super excited about that. And me and my husband are starting this week, we're going to try to do no carbs. Okay, so no carbs at all. We're going to do just protein and vegetables. So this bag was really fun, especially my picnic set. Can't wait to go on a picnic with my hubby. And then this bag is going to be really convenient for this summer, especially because it's so lightweight. So that's pretty cool. I really am enjoying this bag. So hopefully you all really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and then share it, okay? And then to all my existing subscribers, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.